YouTube, what it is, man. I'm back. It's been probably about down near 2-3 months, man. I apologize for that, but y'all been keeping me busy, man. Between making these rod holders, my music business, work, and other stuff, I kind of had to, you know, set fishing aside a little bit. Plus, it was real hot too. I'm gonna use that as an excuse, but I'm back at it, y'all. I'm back here at the Ebenezer Creek. Now, I'm gonna be honest, I'm excited, but at the same time, I'm not. And I'm saying that because I done messed around and left the screen to my Garmin UHD for the live scope. So as you can tell, I ain't got my live scope set up. I'm not used to this, y'all. That's why I had to buy some crickets. Cause I don't know what to do. I'm telling you, man, y'all get caught up in that technology and it just kind of take over. You get so accustomed to it, but we still gonna figure it out. I will say I still do have this this Garmin that came on the boat. So I got a little bit of something where I can at least, you know, locate some fish. But again, I will not have the live scope in use. My plan was to live scope and do a little spider rigging, but we're gonna see what it do, man. We're just gonna see if we can put some fish in the boat. To be honest, I don't even know what kind of fish. I don't care at this point. I just want to do some fishing. So y'all keep rocking with your boy FredBFishinTV. Y'all tune in, all right? Bruh, y'all just don't know how good it feels to be back on the water, man. I'm telling you, man. All right, y'all. We'll start off, like I said, y'all. I ain't really got the live scope. I don't really have what I need to locate these fish quick and easy. But I don't know, man. We just gonna try to go after some panfish, I guess, or whatever, bite crickets. And I'll be throwing a beetle spin. So again, just starting out with a regular ass hook. Nothing crazy, regular ass hook. Slip bobber set up so I can control the depth. I'm thinking about doing maybe about like, I don't know, maybe like 3 feet. So that's about a foot, 2, 3, somewhere around there. We're just gonna see. We're just gonna see if we can make some shake. It's already getting hot too. Oh man. I mean, it's getting hot. Put this around the back. Go in like that. All right, man. Damn, but this chair loud as hell. I know I ain't gonna be catching nothing, scaring away the fish. Need some WD-40 or something. And that was an ugly ass toss, man. That was my bad. I was scared I was gonna get it in that bush. Yeah, that's good. All right, let's see if we get some bites. 3 feet down. If not, shit, change the depth. I just don't know if they're gonna be hitting crickets this soon. I don't know. I don't know what they want. I can't believe I forgot that live scope, y'all. All right, y'all, I threw a rod out there with a bobber. Ain't nothing really going on with the crickets, so I'm gonna start casting. Right now I got a beetle spin, a little small beetle spin. This might be a 1/32 jig head, pink jig head, with a red and black and chartreuse curly tail. And they pretty much jumping up in front of me, so I'm gonna move up a little bit and put it in anchor mode to see if I can make something shake. Again, y'all, I do not have live scope, man. And I think I'm gonna regret it at this point, but we still gonna try to make some shake though. I got my black forces just in case I need to put them on, just to step on these fish neck. Meaning I ain't here to play no games. Black force mentality when it comes to this fishing too. All right, I think I'm gonna probably stop right about here. And I'm gonna just do some casting, y'all. Let it fall a little bit, maybe by like 2 or 3 feet, maybe more than that. And just slowly reel it back in. All right, guys, welcome back. As y'all can see, I got the spider rig out. And again, y'all know y'all can just go ahead, hit the link in the description down below if you want to go ahead and purchase one of these. I know I haven't like really displayed them out, you know, in live action, so, but finally I did, just to show y'all, man. I mean, they definitely work, you know what I'm saying? So it's definitely a cheaper way to go about spider rigging, so that way you can get back on the water, not spend too much money. It's still reliable, so you know what I'm saying. I've had this for maybe about 4 years by now, and as you can tell, it's still operating. So again, spider rig with 4 rod holders, really affordable. So like I said, just hit the link below, go ahead and get you one. All I'm doing is chilling, man. I'm probably about to go ahead, smoke me a black and mild, and just relax and just troll around, see if I can get some bites. I missed one on this rod a little bit earlier. I'm picking up a lot of fish, but they're saying they're around like 5 feet. So I got about 4 different types of lures on each, that I'm trying to see what they're gonna go after anyway. Pretty much 2 lures on each rod, so that's what, a total of 8 fishing lures in the water. So the chances are a lot better as far as catching fish. But still, if you can't locate them, you're just wasting your time. But I mean, they jumping around me, so I'm trying to just kind of chase them basically, since I don't have my live scope, which is a real bummer, but it is what it is. We all human, we make mistakes sometimes. Yeah, flapper rim. Not really what I'm after, but it's good to catch a fish, because I ain't catch nothing until now. Not gonna keep you, man.